So we have created our encryption tool using bcrypt hashing, and now we want to see whether it actually works as we expect. So when we go over to our code, we'll see that we print the encrypted password after we do bcrypt hash password. So what we want to know is, since we can't actually decrypt it, what we want to know is this actually providing the correct result? So we're going to add some temporary code, and it's going to use another method of bcrypt called check password, and we are going to provide it with the encrypted password as the second argument, and we're going to provide it with the password from before, the encoded password. And so we have the encoded password and the encrypted password, and if the two match, if the check passes, then we wanted to print password is correct. And since we're doing this all in one, there's not really going to be a case of incorrect, but just in case, we'll add this here, print password is incorrect. And so let it run here. And there you go, it says password is correct, which means that when the encrypted version is compared to the plain encoded version, after we do the encryption, we can use bcrypt to check whether the password was correct or not. And we don't need that permanently. That's just there for us to make sure that our logic is working correctly and bcrypt is doing what we thought it was doing. So we can remove that. And there you go, our password encryption, which is actually password hashing in this case, tool is done. We can now convert our password securely from the command line, and we can then have that in a format that we can securely store without worrying about it being compromised and turned back into plain text. Thanks for watching.